Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today's actually Friday, and I think it's the 9th today. Yeah, today's February 9th, I believe. And I just got home from school, so I have a couple of things I want to talk to you guys about. Mainly just what I've been doing, what I've been up to, and just kind of sharing some stuff with you because a lot's changed in just a couple of days. So I know I talked to you guys a little bit about in the last video, just like a little bit of an update what was going on with me, and I talked to you guys briefly about what was going on with the school situation and how I was switching back and wanted to transition back into the healthcare field. I had transitioned out a little bit. I was going to go more the mental health psychology route, and that's where I turned the direction of my undergrad, and that's where I was almost finished. And then I had my mishap with financial aid, and I had to reroute and figure out what I wanted to do. So in the process of that happening, I kind of realized that healthcare really was my passion, and maybe this was an opportunity, and is an opportunity for me to really evaluate what's important and really what I want to do with my life, because at the end of the day, no one else has to be satisfied with my life but me, except for God, of course. And so, you know, once I started to kind of think about that, you know, like I was telling you guys, that's one of the things that really made and encouraged me to want to go back to nursing, especially since I was going to be paying out of pocket, and you know, I was out of financial aid and all of that. That being said, God is so good. I have started it's a dual certification program. I've started a program for a community health worker as well as a certified nursing assistant. Excuse me, it's a community health worker program, but you also get the certified nursing assistant certification, which is really important. And I think it's really good because it's going to give me the certifications that I need to really have two spectrums and to try out two careers that I really, really love. Yeah, so with that being said, I basically came across a program that it's not a new program. Like, I definitely honestly, my grandma used to live literally down the street from the building, like from our campus, and I just really didn't, like, I was so much younger than I had absolute no interest or need to really think about that, and you know, I just wasn't thinking about that. So I knew what it was, but I had no idea how great of a program it honestly is. It's honestly such a blessing truthfully that I was even able to get into the program, and I'll tell you guys kind of how it happened, and you'll understand more of why I'm saying that. But it wasn't like when I first started the program, I didn't know that it was going to be as beneficial as it really is. Like, I thought it was going to be, oh, okay, this is a great way for me to segue into healthcare. The program is going to give me my CNA, and it's also going to give me a certification as a community health worker, both positions that I can work in a hospital setting, clinic setting, home setting, and do a lot of different things, explore different routes and options, get great experience, great exposure, which I need for nursing school, great clinical hours, you know, basic training, all those kind of things. So it just kind of like fell into my lap, honestly, and it's exactly what I needed at a time where I was deciding to kind of figure out how I was going to re-navigate this plan, because obviously I'm no longer on the traditional route anymore. I'm on a different route, and as long as you have a plan for what you're doing, like, that's all that matters. So it just kind of fell, like, I didn't expect it to come, and it just kind of fell into my lap. And the program's like so awesome, like I said. So basically, when I found out about the program, I was just researching like different nursing programs, and this program came up, and one of my grandma's friends went to the program. I know a couple people who went through the program, but only one of them went through the healthcare side. They have a lot of different other programs as well, but I didn't really like I said, I didn't really know. So I was just researching. I came up about it, and I was like, I should just call, you know, just see when they have classes starting, like, how does it work, how long is everything. I didn't know anything about anything. You know, I was kind of frustrated because, you guys, don't even want to get me started with what's going on with my four-year university and all that. So I'm not even going to get into that right now because I don't want to get upset. But yeah, like, I was already dealing with my issues with that. So I just was like, you know, I'm just gonna call and see what they say. So the lady was like, oh, you know, we started class yesterday. I called Tuesday, I believe, and so they were like, oh, we started classes Monday. But basically how it would work is that you would have to come to we have information sessions every Wednesday. So, you know, if you're interested in being a student, you know, you have to basically attend one of the information sessions, and then you'll find out, you know, the application process, more about the program, all the programs that we offer, accreditation, all those different things. So I was like, okay. I kind of got discouraged because I was like, well, class has already started, you know, it's kind of like too late, you know. I was like, it's really no point in me going to the information session on Wednesday. And so she was like, the next class is started in 10 weeks. So I was like, okay, you know, whatever. So then the next day something told me, no, I called Monday. The next day something told me to just go ahead and call again. And she was like, you can still come in, and, you know, it's add drop week. So if you come to the information session this Wednesday and you want to stay, we can set you up to do your testing. And as long as everything goes well, we can go ahead and get you set up since it's still add drop. So I'm like, oh, perfect. Like, that would be awesome. Like, if everything works out, that would be great. So I go ahead, and the next day I went to the information session. It was in the morning. And then after that, you know, if you wanted to stay and finish the steps, you could. So I had already, so I did everything I had to do. I took my test first. Of course, I had to take like a math test, and then we had to take this like writing placer test. So I took that, and then I passed, and then I basically went through the steps to be enrolled. Took my student ID, filled a whole bunch of paperwork, and everything. It was kind of just like a rush, you know, like late start, you know, because class had already started. So I was there like the whole day, and then I started classes yesterday. I went to classes yesterday, and I went to classes today. So at this point, I met all my teachers. I went through to all my different classes, and yeah, like, I really, really love it, you guys. I'm so happy. I'm just really happy, and I'm really excited, and it feels good to be doing something productive and back on the right track. And the best part about this all, and how beneficial this program is it's free. Like, how much of a blessing is that? That's the thing that's just like, man, God is so good. And I'm going to come out with 2 certifications as a community health worker and as a certified nursing assistant. And I'll be able to go, and I'll have a job by the end of this, and I will be able to work in hospitals and clinics and do exactly what it is that I want, and figure my life out and get on with my life in the direction that I wanted to. Like, I'm just really happy. I think this is the start. Obviously, this is not the end goal for me, but it's definitely the start to something new, and it's definitely the start to the right direction and the right push. So I'm excited. I just wanted to share that with you guys so you guys would know, so you guys will see I am back in school. So the program is a total of 20 weeks long, but of course it's broken down. I have to like go and still get like school supplies and stuff. That's on my agenda to do this weekend. You guys will see that probably later on in this vlog, but they did give us a binder to work with. Just like, it was a lot of information that we pretty much needed, so I'm just kind of working on this for now. But yeah, the program is 20 weeks. This is like my breakdown of my classes Monday through Friday, and this is the first 5 weeks. So they're broken up, the program's broken up into 2 phases, and then the classes change every 5 weeks, I believe. And then what happens when we get to phase 2, it's a little bit different. So phase 2 is just the second half of the 10 weeks, and it's a lot different. Like I said, that's the part of the course where we're going to be going and getting our going to Red Cross and getting our CNA certification with them. And then we'll also have 160 hours worth of clinical hours that we have to complete in order to get our certification. So and that will all be taking place in those weeks, obviously. So I won't be going to technical class how I'm going now. So I'm really excited. We pretty much, this week it was just like a trial week. We were just doing team building things, and just kind of, you know, seeing who's going to stay. And also, we've had really bad weather here in Minnesota. It's been like snowing and super cold. Like today it was negative, I think it was only like -10, but it felt like -29. So yeah, and then yesterday it snowed like the entire day, literally from when I went into the door from school until I stepped out and beyond, and got home. It was still snowing like super heavy all day. It's just so annoying. Like, I'm not not used to this, not here for this life. So anyways, you guys, I've been talking a lot, but I'm just really excited. Wanted to share with you guys what I'm doing, so that's what I'm doing. Hey guys, so today's Saturday, and I think the last time I vlogged was a couple of days ago, like in the beginning of the week. Maybe it was the beginning of the week, I can't really remember, but you guys seen the clips before this. But today's Saturday the 15th, and it's like the afternoon right now, and I pretty much didn't vlog for the rest of the week because, as you guys know or heard in the beginning, I'm doing a dual certification right now. I've been pretty much just getting accustomed back to that because it was just kind of like crazy how I jumped into it. It was like perfect timing, but I didn't think it was going to work out, and then it did. So yeah, I like kind of had to jump in like right on the guns running because I started like the Thursday and classes started on Monday, even though it was ad drop week. This was our first real week where we were doing like real assignments and had stuff, doing all that stuff already. So, yeah, that's pretty much what I've been doing. I just been getting back accustomed to being in school and like having work to do, and yeah, I really like it. I really love it so far. Like, I'm so happy with this program, and it's just crazy how God works, honestly. But yeah, this morning I didn't do much. I just got up and went to Dollar Tree, and then I went and got a manicure. I just got white on my real nails. I want to show you guys a couple of the things that I picked up. So the first thing that they had there are these Greenbrier Kennel Club. I got some dog nail clippers because Pooh's nails need to be clipped, and I was like, you know, let's try this out. Obviously we got to make sure we don't cut her, but I think it'll be fine. And then I also picked up 2 books. The first one I got is actually by a YouTuber. It's called The Sweet Life by Dulce Candy, and it says find passion, embrace fear, and create success on your own terms. And yes, I picked that one up. And then I also got Tied Up in Knots, how getting what we wanted made women miserable. And it's by Andrea, what does it say, Tantaros. Yeah, so I'm excited to read both of those. I got a new loofah. I got these pure silk razors. These are just the twin blades. It's a 5-pack. I usually get this 6 blades, which I really like, but they switched it up because it used to come with more than just 2 in the pack, and now it only comes with 2. So I was like, let me just try this out and see if I like these because it came with 5 in it. And then I also got this pure silk raspberry mist shaving cream to go with that. I got a lady speed stick. I got one of these, I think they actually call it a nail polish like dispenser, but I use this for my nail polish, but I also use it for my toner, so that's what I got this for. And then I also picked up some microfiber towels because I'm going to start taking my makeup off with this and not using the wet wipes because I just feel like I don't know if that's the best thing for my skin right now. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm about to run out of space on here. I just wanted to get on here and check in with you guys. I'm not doing much today. I do have homework and things that I could be doing, and yeah, a couple plans for the rest of the weekend. So I'm just relaxing and trying to enjoy my days off from school because literally throughout the week I don't do anything but go to class and do school related stuff. I mean, I still have time to do things throughout the day, but yeah, it's just a lot. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to check in with you guys, let you guys know what's going on with me. I'm good. I've had a very long week, tiring week, but a good week, so that's always good. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys.